What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Fast Daddy and this is Medium Mouth Fishing. And I know it's been a while since I made a video, but today we are back on Buffalo Trace. We're at a lake. It's first time taking a kayak out, and hopefully we get on some fish. So if you haven't yet, please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and turn on that bell to make sure you get notified every time I make a video. All right, y'all, let's get in this bad boy and push off, and hopefully we catch some fish. It's my first time in this kayak, so oh shit, hopefully get some of this stuff out of the way. I got shit everywhere. Let's go. See if I can push her off. I do got a stakeout pole. Got all kinds of. Let's go. So I'm only wearing my chest mount because I got a couple more cameras with me, but this is my first time out on this kayak. So let's see what it does. Let me see if I can. All right, y'all, we got a thunder chicken tied on, thunder cricket, bladed jig. First cast, let's see. I know a bladed jig is a good thing to throw, especially in these smaller lakes. Of course, in it's March, one of my favorite baits to throw. There's one. There we go. There we go. First one, guys. Now I gotta figure out how to do this. I ain't got my net. Just backlast. It's a small one, but we'll take him. Let's go. we go. There we go. Another little small one. A little small guy foul hook, but we got him. Wow. It's a decent one. Decent one. Decent. Decent one right here, just small, but tie that jerkbait on it, caught two. Boy, they killing this jerkbait, guys. We just tied on, so. Let's get out in the middle more than that. Alright guys, so we've been out here a couple hours. I done tied on a little bit of everything and nothing's hitting. So I really weren't really trying to do a video, but alright guys. I finally figured out what they hitting on, so hopefully we can get on some fish. That's the third fish. Caught one on a bladed jig and two on a jerkbait as soon as I tied it on. So hopefully we get on a good bite. Get out here where these fish are. This water's still cold. Just gotta slow down here and fish. Hopefully we can get on a big one. Boys, this is a big one if it's a fish. Damn. Not a fish, y'all. Thought we had a lunker on there, boys. There's one, hit it, man. Stay on there. Man, what is going on? I don't know if that's grass guys or what, but there's a fish, guys. Another one. Small one. We'll take him. We'll take him. This jerkbait coming in clutch, boys. Gotta be careful with these treble hooks, though. So we tied on this jerkbait. It's the Megabass 110, Vision 110, and it's getting big. It's a little guy, but hey, fishing, fish. There we go. Another little one. Another little guy. Where's all these big ones at? Look at this little guy. Jerkbait bigger than him. There's a nice one, guys. That's a decent one. Biggest one of the day. There we go. There we go. About 2 pounder. We'll take it. There we go, boys. Another one on the Megabass. I'm telling you, boys. The Megabass gets bit. again, but hey, we catching fish, boys. Here we go, guys. Another one. They're getting bigger, boys. They're getting bigger. The wind's getting lighter and they're getting bigger. Oh shit. There we go. They're getting bigger, guys. Another one, little bitty guy, boy. Little bitty guy. Little bitty guy. Look at this little guy, little joker. Couldn't resist it. Woo!